Welcome to our review of the 5 best dash cams you can buy this year. Dash cams are becoming increasingly popular as a way to monitor your driving and protect yourself in case of an accident. We'll be reviewing the top 5 dash cams available on the market today, looking at features, performance, and value for money. So whether you're looking for a basic model to keep an eye on your car or a more sophisticated model with all the bells and whistles, we'll help you find the right one. So let's dive in and find the perfect dash cam for you. Number 5. Miofive. The Miofive car dash cam is the best choice for any driver looking for a comprehensive way to monitor their car. With features such as 4K UHD recording, 5G Wi-Fi support, an intelligent AI algorithm, and an easy-to-use design, this device has everything you need for a safe and secure driving experience. The night vision, G-sensor, and motion detection allow for clear footage even in low-light environments. The GPS tracking, G-sensor, and Go Assist alert system make sure you're always aware of your surroundings. Overall, this dash cam is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and comprehensive driving assistant. Number 4. REDTIGER. The REDTIGER dash cam for cars is a great choice for drivers who want top-quality video with Ultra HD 4K. The f1.5 large aperture and 6-glass lens capture superb detail even in low-light conditions, and the wide dynamic range and high dynamic range technology helps ensure that car license plates can be easily seen. The 4K dashcam also has built-in Wi-Fi for easy connection to a smartphone app. Furthermore, the GPS module and supercapacitor make for an even better driving experience, and the G-sensor and 24 hours parking monitor provide an extra layer of safety. The user interface is simple and easy to use, and the product comes with a 1-year warranty and 24 hours of technical support. Overall, this is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a top-of-the-line dashcam. Number 3. AZDOME. The AZDOME 4K dashcam is a must-have for any car enthusiast. Its dual 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, coupled with the wide dynamic range and f1.8 large aperture, allows it to capture every moment in detail. The built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and G-sensor provide added safety and convenience. The metal rear camera and IP68 waterproof construction make it extra durable. And the 24/8 parking monitor and supercapacitor ensure that it can work in extreme temperatures. All in all, the AZDOME 4K dashcam is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-packed dashcam. Number 2. Nextbase 222. The Nextbase 222 dashcam is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use and reliable car camera. It features a 2.5 IPS screen with upgraded picture resolution and clarity, providing the user with high-quality recordings. The 140 degrees wide viewing angle ensures that a wide coverage of the road ahead is recorded. The new exclusive car mount makes installation and removal of the dashcam easy with its integrated magnetic power connectors. Additionally, the intelligent parking mode will record any bump or physical movement of the car when left unattended. With its G-sensor, the dashcam will safeguard recordings and move them to a folder that will not be overwritten. Highly recommended for anyone looking for a reliable and durable car camera. Number 1. AZDOME. The AZDOME True 4K Dashcam 800 is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and high-quality dual dash cam. It features a Sony IMX 415 sensor, front and rear cameras, built-in GPS, super night vision, 3 IPS LCD parking mode, advanced driver assistance systems, loop recording, and iOS or Android app control. The 4K Ultra HD dual camera allows for excellent recording of both the road ahead and behind for added security. The powerful night vision feature with 3D DNR and f1.8 aperture lens minimize image noise when driving at night. The 24-hour parking surveillance with G-sensor and the built-in GPS feature make this dashcam a great choice for any driver. The advanced driver assistance systems alert you of any potential danger, and the app control and footage sharing make it easy to share data with an insurance provider. Overall, this is a great dashcam with many features to keep you safe on the road.